You know, once upon a time, convertibles meant freedom, wind in your hair, sun on your face. It was basically freedom to go anywhere on four wheels and enjoy the elements. Today they're vanishing. Once 2% of all US car sales, now less than 0.5%. The convertible isn't just declining, it's disappearing. Why? It's not whether, it's what we want to drive. Americans traded drop tops for tall rides that actually have tailgates. SUVs offer visibility, space and safety, plus you can load up your weekend's worth of gear and still bring the dog. In convertibles, not so much. And let's talk glass roofs. These days you can actually get all the light coming in without that windswept hair. Oh, my secret? Lots and lots of gel. Panoramic roofs give you 80% of the experience minus the downside. No folding roofs, no noise, no surprise showers mid-commute. Now, building a convertible isn't cheap. Engineering one without it turning into a limp noodle, that takes a lot of money. Add rollover safety, roof mechanisms, waterproofing and structural reinforcements and your margins are gone. That's why brands bailed out. But some brands haven't. A few still fly the flag, and they're doing it with style, speed and purpose. Ford's Mustang convertible still rumbles proudly, Mazda's Miata keeps the fun featherlight, and BMW's Z4 is slick, along with BMW's M440i Bavarian muscle with a drop-top flare. And if you want drama, there's the Porsche 911 Cabriolet. You want theatre, there's the Maserati Grand Cabrio Trofeo. And if you want cheeky, well, Mini's got you covered. Mini's Cooper S convertible delivers iconic design with sporty performance. Step up to the John Cooper Works version and you're in hot hatch territory with sky above you. Mini convertibles have 3 positions: open, closed and sunroof open. Plus, they have an always open timer that shows you how much time you've spent driving with a top down. Now they're quick, clever and packed with charm, and this roof, it folds down in about 18 seconds. That's about the same time it takes you to decide whether you're skipping work. And Mercedes hasn't quit either. The AMG SL class blends luxury and horsepower with a folding hardtop that operates like a Bond gadget. Audi's S5 still looks sharp with the soft top down. So no, sorry, convertibles aren't practical, and that's not why they exist, and never was. They're emotional machines, not made for hauling drywall, but made for chasing sunsets. The kind of car that reminds you driving should be fun. And Americans may not love convertibles anymore, but for those that do, it's forever. In Savannah, Georgia, driving a mini convertible, I'm Nick Miles.